7 ubona umongameli. That lets you know ukuthi isikhathi sesikhipha ama files sanibonani ke lapho ke emakhaya. Now most of us esikhathini esiningi ke mangabe umuntu ezwa kuthiwa ke lifestyle estate noma ke uzitshela ke wena ukuthi khona umuntu omaziyo ohlala estateini. Ucabanga ubukhazikhazi, ucabanga izindlu ezinhle, ucabanga izindlu ezakhiwe eqophelweni eliphezulu zakhiwa ngabantu abawaziyo umsebenzi wabo. Now today sithi into engumphakathi ke ohlala ke kuyona le estate engemuva. Bayakhala bo. Bathi ke sathenga imizi, sakha, sazitshela ukuthi sohlala ngokunethezeka. Today izinto ke seyishintshile ngoba sibhekene nenkinga enkulu. Ngikhuluma ngani? Akuhlale lapho uhleli khona ubone ukuthi sikhipha ama-files. Sikuphatheleni namhlanje nokuthi umphakathi osithintile wayona kule ndawo lena ngemuva. Bakhala ngani?
Igama lami nguVincent Nwankosi Sibongo, ngihlala la eHlanganani.
My name is Nancy Makamo. Ngihlala e-extension 13 eLens.
Mina igama lami nguVictor Umurwampi Sibongo. Ngihlala la eHlanganani, Sharon Park extension 2. Sibhalele skip ama-files because sinenkinga la. Since from 2013 ngihlala lana sibe nenkinga yama drive through. Asizazi indlela zethu ukuthi singakuphi.
Sanibonani?
Yebo, sanibonani.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila njani?
Siyaphila ukhala kusiza ibandla. Umdlalo se ngiphuma ohlelweni bathi sikhipha ama-files channel 157. Njengoba ningibizileke ngumongameli ngiyeza la khona abantu bangibiza khona. Ngabe ngikhuluma nakwabani?
Themba kaNkosi.
Yebo baba.
Siyabonga ukubona iskipha ama-file.
Thank you. Umama wala ekhaya la.
Yebo.
Siyajabula ke mama. Ngizwile kancane udaba lweni. Ngiyezwa nikhala nge-driveway. Ake ningichazeleni kabanzi. Kwenzakalani ngale ndaba lenikhala ngayo?
Sisifika lana ngo-2013 bekungena zindlu total. And then they decided ukuthi ba-build izindlu ngo-2015. That's when the problem started. Bakhala izindlu lezi bangasishiyeli drive through. So imoto azikhona ukuphuma, azikhona ukungena.
Before bengakazakhi lezi ndlu lezi ezintsha bengikhona ukungena ngale ngoba bekune space, open space ngale, bengenankinga. So inkinga ayiqali mabe kwakhiwa lezi ndlu lezi ezintsha la.
Thina la mina ukuhlala kwami la ngihlale from 2004. Ngabo 2004 ladies besiloku siya e-housing. So funa ukuthi bazosilungisela because of sibona ukuthi le ndlu lena i-stand esi1 and izindlu zi3.
Si share indlela and then I think okay mina njengami mangena kwami ngena emzini omunye umuntu and then I think it's not right.
So qala bezingena kuphi imoto zendla mangabe ziyangena?
Lezi ndlu lezi bezingekho. Besingena nje.
Yeah.
Kade sipassage but no khosnadi intracker.
Imoto ayingeni la. Every day kumele ngicele abanye sebakhathele ngami. Lo mama lo walaphana khona umama laphana ngaya kuye ngacela ukuthi angipakele imoto. Angitshela straight that hey yazi ukugada imoto yomuntu ubusuku bonke iproblem. Ngiyashintsha abanye mangipaka imoto kubo baphinde bayiboleke. Iboleke ilala bo Madlen, Glenrich, Shawela ilala uyabona namhlanje nje obidla ngiyicelela komunye ulokhu nje omunye usisi uhlala ngalenzansi.
Elabuza abani anizange nicomplain kubani ukuthi kwenzakalani manje why nenza so?
We did complain to the builder, the developer, uJohan Kropla. Sa complain ukuthi why uzobuilda indlu la thina so thola phi i-drive through. Wangasinaki nokusinaka wahamba ke yena. And then I had ukuthi ngiya ku municipality ngi-complain about that. And then they came nabo bayibona inking but still work.
Mini drive through yami ngile kwamasipala bathi kimi it's supposed to be between lezi ndlu eziwu2 lama upstairs awu2 la. Mele ngene khona and then mangifika kamasipala bathi mele ngizitholele isurvey engizoyibhadala ngemali yami. Okay ngayithola isurvey yami then from there ngaya kamasipala since umasipala uzoza azoyilungisa so ngisalindile.
So uYohan ngena kanjani kuyo yonke lento le ubani uYohan?
Yohani bathi i-developer.
uYohan yena ke uthi yonke lento ipasiswe ubani ke as akha ngani ithi nizamile ukukhuluma naye.
Iyo lento lesifuna ukuyithola ukuthi ubani lo osayine iplan njengoba umasipala angafuna ukusisiza.
umasipala njengoba bengibhalele ilokhunja legislature i-municipality baye bayithumela iletha lakhona nginalo la endlini bayithumela iletha i-municipality ayizange i-responde
bathi uYohani kuphi-ke manje ngigcine nini kumbona kwalo Yohani loyo ama-ofisi wakhe akuphi
Yo baba sasi
akatholakali baba nabo bathi bayamfuna but abatholakala but asazi ukuthi iqiniso likuphi.
But what touches me the most is kunenye imoto futhi emile-ke besides this one I see
Yebo.
kunaleni engiyibone eyithombeni nivezi ukuthi hayi imile yona-ke totally ime kuthi nendawo la ejardini-ke lena enye imoto ebomveni ngibonisa yona eyithombeni engiyibone eyithombeni manisente
Ime ngapha emva kwendlu.
isemva kwendlu
Isemva kwendlu njengamanje.
sena how many years imile
4 years
Yeah, it's about 4 years. Start.
ke bihamba i-right and stuff so since ama neighbor akha ama-jardi wabo ama-fences we are stuck
right there.
Yep.
Do you guys mind taking me there ngiyobona
Yebo
Singayibona, baba,
cela
singayibona.
siye siyibona
Okay.
so this is the car
This is
Yebo
the
yiyo
car.
leba.
yiyo yona le
Yebo yiyo la.
Sesihleli
Ezibona
lamakhapethi.
simboze nangengubo but ayisasizi indawo. Dewe siyibona ngakhona sokuyi-scrap.
matayara aba-flat kuyala nje
Iyala. If angabe bokune-driveway ngaba yimanga kanje. So
Ngaba
kutime kanje i-cost of this problem i-driveway because of i-drive-through ayikho.
yeah
Yebo.
in my understanding you're not the only ones abakhalayo
Yeah,
Sibaningi la. Sibaningi. La ngaphakathi kudla
Kule estate.
lokhona asibaningi baba.
usizo nilifunayo kakhulu enithanda ukuthi nilithole yiliphi leli enikhala ngalo kangaka
mina ngifuna isikhipha amafayili kahle hle nje basilungisele lento le
thina sifuna i-drive through sicela umasipala ne-developer basisize basinikeze i-drive through
ngicela ukuthi maybe isikhipha amafazi nganceda ukuthi maybe basikhulumele nomasipala azosicheckela le problem ekhona la endaweni yethu.
Mina ngajabula ishow manga sikhulumela nomasipala asichazisele kahle kahle. Singawenza kuphi amabonda wethu ijardi lami lingakuphi.
next time aningibona ngizobe ngizonilanda sizobe sibona ukuthi siyokokoda kwiphi iminyango ne
Siyabonga baba.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga.
Thank you. Ngicela nike ningikhiphe kancane. Senijwayele le pathway yenu. So yiyo le purchase.
Yebo yiyo le passage la.
La kuthi imoto enimele ingene khona.
La kuthi imoto ethu kumele ingene khona. I-drive through yethu bathi kumele ibe la.
Ngiyalibela.
Le tshintsha kuthiwa ila next time kuthiwa ingale ibuye iphinde futhi ize.
and uma ungathi uyabheka manje
Yebo.
sesingena emzini wabantu
Yebo.
Someone needs to talk and answer about this one.
exactly
Singabonga kakhulu.
Yeah.
Singabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga for ukuskipha amafile.
Ngiyabonga ne.
Siyabonga.
Sibongile.
Saleni kahle baba nkosi.
Siyabonga.
Thank you.
Siyabonga,
Siyabonga,
thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Where's the developer if you know maybe Sanibonani.
yebo
Ninjani?
saphila njani
Siyaphila. Hayi kwangathi senibaningi manje seningeke. Sesenready kuyobambana nabantu na yini? Let's see ukuthi kwenzakalani masifika lapha yana ke. So first stop siqala ke masipala kangithi. From lapho ke we follow through sibone ukuthi ke umnyango omunye usivulela kuphi until we get to the bottom of yonke lento. Sishoneni khona. Sobona ukuthi bathi.
Siyabonga.
Thank you. Asiyeni ke. Na ninqola isilindile. Singene. Good evening. Sanibonani emakhaya. Ninjani? Bakhona abantu? Thank you man. Mama, umphakathi lona lana ithi ngithi fahla ne. Mhlambe nawe ungabazi abantu abangabathinta ke wala abanye bangekho. Baze ngendaba engabaphethe right. Ngisacela nichazeleni umama la.
Dala siza lama ifanga mhlawumbe usibhekisa la. Besiza la yesikhathi esiningi siza la sofuna uIV no Mamstel. So ukuthi basilungiselele i-driving laphana still namanje saloku sila lento leyo. So siyalwa nabo so abafuni bathi bayesa until manje and then but mabeza there's nothing.
Okay. Mamsela kwamanje akekho mara manager naye akekho umuntu okhona umam Chanel uye umuntu okhona kwamanje. mara ngiyacabanga ukuthi uye unganinceda
ukhona
uShanel liyana smart but
Chanel.
but laba abanye
uye ungakhuluma nani ngale
angeza lena
okay but basacela ukubona umuntu oyedwa azazochaza indaba ne ubani ke ngathi ke ufuna ukuyongena ngale siyozikhulumela kancane size si-attend ne asiyeke make ngizokuphelezela sishone khona so size ke alright ke asiyeni.
I was happy actually. I was happy gore at least re tla let's keep our files so that we can expose dilo tse leng gore di fitlhegile mo masepala. It's been too long re ntse re lwana le masepala a sa dirise dilo but I'm very happy.
Hi Chanel, how are
Hi
you?
there, fine meeting you.
Very, very well.
Sia.
Name is Sia.
Sia.
From ACV Channel 157 Mochala.
Oh, my name
Yeah.
is Mpa.
Okay, yes,
Yes, I
Mpa.
think I did send you an email.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
I think
okay.
2021.
Okay,
Complaining about the drive-through that I don't have a drive-through.
Oh,
in
yes, I know they were
Yes.
busy last week with this matter. They all went to Shanganani last week.
Oh,
Is
who
it-
went there?
Yes, the CRE manager. So have you spoken to the CRE manager?
No, we haven't
Oh,
spoken
you
to
see,
this.
that's what I'm saying. Did you complain again?
Oh, we complained about that drive-through, that we
yes.
don't have a
Because
drive-through.
there was, I think, 3 incidents of others also complained.
Yes.
And they went there, I can promise you, last week with the building inspector.
But you know what my problem
Yes.
is, Chanel?
Yes.
They always say we will tell you the outcomes, we'll tell you the outcomes. We're gonna sit
Yeah.
as a board and talk,
Yeah.
but nothing.
kubhlungu ukuhlala uthenga indlu but end of the day ungakhona ukuthi abantwana onabo o events mhlambe obanayo ongakhona ukuthi ukuyenza ngaphakathi kwejarity but you guys and then just sitting here and relaxing but you use your driveway but us and then
I
it's a problem
understand.
who's supposed to fix that
Yeah.
problem
All right,
Okay.
Chanel,
supposed to fix that
can we
problem?
get a phone call or maybe call this
Please,
person
I
just to see?
think so.
They cannot ukuthi babeke umuntu ongazi nix kusho ukuthi uyazi umsebenzi abhekane nawo thina asazi so yibo bona omele ukuthi bayazi.
Where's the developer if you know maybe
Oh,
can
I
find
don't
them?
know.
But if you know the problem, what have you done as a municipality?
She's sorting it out right now.
Ngisafuna ukusizeka kahle kahle.
No, Stella.
Nina ama number.
I've got a whole TV crew here
All right, thank you.
about Shlanganani. Can I please hand over the phone that you just talked to them because I can't answer. Can I give you over? Thank you, Ivy.
Ivy. Hi, Mamu Ivy. Sikhona mankosi man ukhala kusizi. Kunenkinga lana ngihamba nabantu abakhalayo ngendaba yalapha yenzakala lapha eHlanganani. Kwenzakalani ma ngicela ubachazele naba bezwe bonke belana.
Mamela baba, umuntu ophethe i-report ne ucela uzoza kusasa nami ngizoza kusasa cause now ayikho isimeni sokuthi ngingakhuluma ne.
What time ikusasa ma?
So 10 o'clock is fine. Or ubhaze and then I'll come back to you.
Mamu Ivy, I'm going to trust you right now ngale show you because so many people promise ukuthi kusasa and then they say ithi kodwa sibuye kuwe and then they don't. And then when this thing broadcasts, the first people that complain is the Ekurhuleni municipality. Tomorrow morning, but I will be on standby to come here and we will all come here because I think that most abantu bacela nje kuphela ukwazi kwenzakalani because into abakhalisa ukuthi abezwa lutho. Okay. All right, ke mama. Before I let you go, Mamu Ivy, the property developer yashona phi leya ndawo?
Nathi asiyazi sifunana nayo loyo yulanda simazi sifunana nayo but i-department be-right emele niye kuyo city planning thina siyi-CRM thina sidila ngama-complain
Okay,
wabantu
city planning.
lapho tshela uchannel amboniseni i-city planning
Alright.
ikhona lapho ya
Perfect.
ngoba thina sidila ngama-complaints wabantu kuphela
All right, ke. Ngiyabonga Mama Ivy Nkosi.
okay my dear.
Nibe right ne? Bye bye.
Okay.
Unjalo se. Ngiphume ngoJala channel 157. Mochala, the show is called Skip My Files. But it's about Baba City Planning or Mama with City Planning. Uba no corner from City Planning.
khona umathone khona bakutawula uyohani bayi-3 yabaqala
Okay, by 3.
Yeah.
Who's available?
abekho bonke bayi-meeting boyi-3
By the meeting.
Into engicakayo ukuthi bonke bathi bawu3 because oyi1 mangekho kumele kube nomunye ozombambela but bonke abekho so sisalindile namanje.
Can you try and call maybe somebody who can assist us? Kule 3 maybe ekhulja kwa. Bazoyithatha icall yakho fast. Angipakujwayele vele. Akuba bambe ne. Hawo.
Ke happy ka skip my files because of I can see gore e epolla mo ileng gore go kwalegile teng.
Hi Johan, how are you?
Fine, thank yourself.
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. There's a guy from Hlanganani who wants to speak to you on the phone now.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, Johan. How are you doing?
Fine, thank yourself.
I'm very, very well. Johan, I'm here with the people from Hlanganani. My name is Sia from Mojala, Channel 157 on DSTV. We received a bit of a complaint from some people from Hlanganani, and they just wanted a bit of feedback to find out what's going on with their driveways, what's the way forward, what's the process, what's happening, because a lot of them haven't been able to enjoy the joys of having a driveway and a place where they can park their cars because they leave their cars in the middle of the road outside their yards. Is it possible for us to maybe just have a sit down, just one-on-one between myself and you, just to get a bit more insight and the feedback on this matter so that, you know, everybody else is happy? What day would suit you?
We can. I've got a meeting tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. I don't know how long it's going to be. And after that, I can come through to Sharon Park.
Alrighty, thanks a lot.
Okay.
My question la ngisazibuzana manje, uphi uproperty developer wale ndawo?
Sasa nami ngilindile ngizoba ngikhona. I wish nabo babe khona sizokhona ukuyikhazulula le ndaba.
Yeah, well, tomorrow bathi sibuya, we've got 2 meetings. One uphuma ke planning, omunye ke laba baphuma ke bona ukwenzeni report. So they both saying bazosinikeza feedback, going to tell us what they found out. Ake sibaboneni ke kusasuku bathini, if bayafika or abafiki, if bangafiki thina siyaphambili. We are not going to stop.
I believe gore ba tlotla because of ba tla be bana le di-file ge tse ba tla re openelang tsone gore this is the situation re dila yang ka yone, but ha ba ka tshaba skipper ba fa se tla ba hunt until ba kre.
Sasa nami ngilindile ngizoba ngikhona.
Sibuyile ke naJelly ke mahhovisi akhe umasipala ke ukhumbule ke mbukeli kwiskipha ama-files ukuthi ke sidila nge-issue ke yabantu abakhala ngama-driveway. So batsheliwe ukuthi ababuye kuzohlala phansi ke ukudiscusswe lolu daba lolu ke njengoba kubona ke na umndeni ke uzokuthi ukungena ke baye ngaphakathi sizwe ukuthi ke kwenzakala nini. Thina ke basitshela bazosi-addressa ke right after that as they've sent us an email. So for now ake sibone ukuthi ke skiphani ngoba ke thina sifuna ukusiza ke abantu abadinga usizo. Hi, after you.
I believe every problem e batho ba nang le yone e tla solve. I believe it.
Kunjani? Siyaphila. Babuyile ke abantu bebathe bazobona uSis Ivy. Bebathumeleni incwadi nezinto zakhona. Baba expect. Ukhona?
Bakhona base meeting manje.
Base meeting manje. Hayi. Sizathu ukulinda nje. Baba meeting ayaphela nje. Sizalinda ke bese ke singeneni. Bashilo ukuthi ngizodiscussana manifika namhlanje bathi nje bacela ukunibona.
Bathe nje basicela ukusibona ngendaba ze-driver.
Ngendaba zama-driver.
Yes.
Okay. Ngiyabona sekukhona nabantu abasha futhi.
The same problem.
The same problem.
Same problem. And this is the huge one. This is the huge one. Yes,
yeah. Hayi, ayisibalindeni.
Nabo kudala nedinga idala.
Yeah.
But bangatholi isizo.
Yeah.
Sakona le ba hlomphe ba media. Go ba nna bokete gore re comment ka o sana go office ya ka bana gore why did you commit on such matters with the course we know only DH and only appointment in media.
So at the end of it all, I'll let the people be. I'll step aside. But if I do not get a comment by a certain time from the city, I am putting out the episode saying the city ducked and dived. Bantu bakithi ke sifikile ke lana ke mahhovisi wakhe kuruleni ke basitshela ukuthi ke bacela thina sishifte ngoba there is someone who is going to address us, but I'll address that bit later on. Masisiqedile la. So ke umndeni ke ungenile ke bayoxoxisana ke nabo ke they should be coming back ungineza feedback ukuthi kwenzakaleni ke ngaphakathi while I wait ake sizwe ukuthi ke kwenzakaleni ke in the meantime.
The reason Mama Sibize escape ama-files ukuthi I've been trying to voice out since 7 years in Yulwa Lentavane. And then Tompushisen Hapeki, your last message, if you can remember, Uguti, Nizosbiz and Helen Atipanzi, and then the outcome, it can be good, it can be bad. And then if it is bad, we can take it further. That's when I decided to Palela escape my files.
We went on site
lebona leti inspectors. That is why it's sometimes it's about good or bad. It's fine. We try to get one little room, I don't eat it, and then better right fits away or understand. So I solve the problem.
Yes.
Let's solve the problem. We go for stippling every week, and then stippling, maybe you can share with us. Keep on less in but it's a developer. Key issue a developer. And it's a mind developer. It's a richelete, Yazamani. What Rona, research problem. Yamarashemina is so long, Nani, Shangani Jenny, Kamalai, Niboni, the serious, but it's Zoyan, Tinasu Mastara, solve what?
Njani?
Saphila njani?
Saphila. Kwenzakaleni ngaphakathi ngoba ngathi bekishisa ufudu ngabaze bacela ukuthi mina ngichief bafuna ukukhuluma nani phela.
Siraise ama views wethu ukuthi vela asina i drive through nabo baza nama solution la sibona ukuthi it won't work.
Sithole vele sabacedile. Basibiza nje basibiza because of hayi ukuthi sizobonisana. Besibiza vele ukuthi sabacedile ukuthi le yabo i-decision abayithathile is final.
So what's the final verdict?
The final verdict bathe bazokhuluma ne-HOD ne-DH babasondeze phambili baze babone le situation esikuyo babahambise babayise kohlanganana.
So but yonke lento le abayishoyo ukuthi kuzoza nabo bani izothatha how long?
But within 7 days.
The most important question, uphi developer? Bathini ke bona?
Developer nowhere to be found. Batakatholakali.
Angazi ke but ke nisizwa kanjani ke throughout yonke lento?
Yo mina ngibonga skipha ama files because without bona ngene ka attendiwa the way attended ngati.
So loku siba in contact nabo sibona ukuthi kwenzakalani. I'm still waiting for umuntu wabo kabathi uzozonga address which is I'm surprised with namanje akekho.
uNkulunkulu anibusise.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu bantu abashabayo ngiyakhuleka nambe.
Yeah, babuke lapha emakhaya kunembuzo eminingi engakaphendulwa. Kunama loopholes amaningi lana. Lack of accountability enzakalayo engizibuza ukuthi izolungiswa nini. 1. Uproperty developer uphi sazibuza njengamanje. 2 Nyamalele, 2 awule. Ubani ozombiza for him to be accountable la. Esibili, we were promised ukuthi khona umuntu ozosathenda. Ama emails athunyelwe, ama phone calls enziwa. On the 11th hour sesitshela ukuthi hey angeke sikwazi ukukhuluma thina. Siyasaba. Wethu ilula lento le. Ayikho into ozoyisaba if you got nothing to hide. There's a lot of things that are wrong. I love the protocol. I love ukulandela imithetho na yonke into, but please, City of Ekurhuleni, this is not how we do things. You do not even just call out amaphoyisa for people that are coming here and we're told to come here and now we're told to step back and then you call the cops on us. As if ngathi singene ngendlovu yangena la. While Skipper Mafiles is here for the people. That's what we are here for. Mongameli and his team as Skipper Mafiles and Moja Love the channel.